Annyeong, this is Nuna Army. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this is this. As usual, I have to take it out of the box so that you can kind of see what it is. Yes, it's the BTS 7th Army Membership Kit. I am excited. So this is my first year to be Army, first year to be officially Army. Look, the reason I signed up to be officially part of the Army is because I wanted to join the raffle to be part of like the live audience for Motswan. I did not win that, but anyway, I'm an official Army member and I decided to get the kit. Just on the side here, you have this little pocket with this little card holder. Let me just open that on the side. Yeah, and this is how that, I'm just covering my name, but it's basically the official Army membership fan club card. Cool. Let's look at that box again. And that's how it looks like. Nothing incredibly special about this outer box, but let's go and look at what's inside it. So, let's cut it. I ordered this a couple of months ago, so actually, quite a few months ago. I think I ordered this in August. No, that's not true. That's not true. I must have ordered this in September. Or is it October? Okay. I ordered this, and apparently they ship them out each quarter. So that's what Weavers told me when I followed up. So to be honest, I kind of forgot what's part of the Army membership kit. Wow, this is like completely destroyed. Good thing oh my god, okay. Whoa. So you see like the sides here are completely destroyed. Good thing that's just reinforcement. Let's lift this up and wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do this first. Once upon a time, there were 7 boys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wow. Oh, yes. Oh gosh. Oh, Jin. Okay, so they have it in Korean and in English, the interview that they have. That's great. Mr. Puss. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Let's just do a quick one. Oh wow. What is V's title? Oh my gosh, V is just like one of the most photogenic people ever. Oh, JK. Wow, these photos are incredible. Tale of Tales. Oh, cute. Little like form that they filled out, just like a question and answer thing to get to know them better. This is so nice. Wow. Okay, a little like coloring page. I am not gonna touch that. I am horrible at art. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, Dear Army. So of course a little like letter to the Army, and they have it in English. Yes, keep doing this, big hit. Have the English translations as well, please. Oh, this is so nice. I'm going to read all of that later on, but that's a really nice little like photo book. Okay, now let's go into this box. Oh, so it says once. I guess once. Okay. Yep, that's it. That's all that's in this box. Maybe let's open that little pouch last. This is a book lamp. Once, and it says once upon a time on all the different sides. And it's like made of like a tin material. BTS Global Official Fan Club membership, and then you have the names of the guys there. So if it sits like on your shelf, you'll see the spine like this. That's going to be really nice. That's going to sit nicely on my shelf actually. But surprised with this tin material. Oh! Once upon a time there were 7 boys. That's how it looks on the inside. Wow. Wow. I'm going to read the instruction manual now. So when you open it, there's this light thing that came with it. And you can I have to put batteries. I mean, I don't have any batteries on hand right now, but basically there's a magnet there. And then you just place it on the top. Then you press the center part to switch that on, and that's supposed to illuminate this little thing, which I'll give you a better look. Look at that. Oh, this is so interesting. Yeah, so that's the little book lamp. I'm just going to show that to you again because even these are metal. So that's cool. Interesting. Now to the final bit, and I'll bring you in a little bit closer to see this. Okay, so this is just a little pouch with the army symbol printed at the back. That's so cool. Army user guide. Oh, cool. It says the book lamp box that will invite Army into the fairy tale world. Always keep your membership card in your wallet. Why? Okay. Photo cards, pouch. Mark the page Army wants to keep near and dear. It's a bookmark. So cool. And like, wow. Hi V. Okay. Oh. So this is just a magnetic bookmark. That's cool. I actually prefer magnetic bookmarks over paper bookmarks. So yeah, because it can just sit comfortably on the page and stay put. Wow. Okay, so that's 2 sides. So you have, let me just let that focus for you. Okay, so we have Jungkook, V, Jimin, and J-Hope. And then we have RM, Jin, and Suga. Wow. That's so nice. Again, probably won't use that as an actual bookmark, but let's keep it back in here. Now for the photo cards. Like a boss, RM. Oh, hi Jin. Suga. J-Hope. Jimin. V. And JK. I love this like fairy tale theme. It reminds me of Magic Shop. Also, I don't know why, but this is how it looks like at the back. Oh, okay. They're all unique. Even the backs. The texture is very different for these cards versus like the normal inclusion cards or tour, even the tour PCs, which are the same size. They're like a lot grainier. But it's nice. Okay. So They have the different like silhouettes at the back. So this is Jungkook's, V, Jimin, J-Hope. Oh, that's so playful. Suga, Jin. That silhouette does, you can still recognize him for sure. And RM. Cool. That's super interesting. Well, that's it. That's it for this little unboxing of the 7th Army membership kit. I hope you enjoyed that. This book lamp thing is super interesting, but everything else was really nice too. I really will take time to go through that photo book. Or it's not just a photo book, like a almost like a coffee table book that that came along with this whole kit. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.